Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Arindam Banerjee. How are you? Welcome.
Thank you.
Very good.
Discussion was regarding our bilateral cooperation, mainly with regard to the MOUs which were signed, the Memorandum of Understanding which was signed earlier during the President's visit, and implementation of that and how we can go forward further on this. We also discussed about digital ID, like how we can use the digital ID, and a pilot project for the digital ID which can be implemented here, which India is proposing to Timor-Leste. That is one thing. The other is on the health sector. We are trying to have exchanges on the health sector, which India has proposed, and we have shared with Excellency the Foreign Minister, and they would be taking it forward further. So from Indian side, we have a lot of offers for exchanges, and also 𝐈𝐧𝐝𝐢 under the 𝐈𝐧𝐝𝐢 scholarship. 𝐈𝐧𝐝𝐢 scholarship, we are offering Timor-Leste candidates scholarships in India under IT, under engineering, and also under energy. So, and also there is an energy university in Gandhinagar where we have offered Excellency about Timor-Leste candidates can come there for study, for education under Indian scholarship program. So, and also we discussed about a land for Indian embassy here in Timor-Leste. So broadly we discussed a lot of issues, and of course the opening of embassies and how we can take this forward, and if Excellency would like to visit India anytime, so that is also a possibility. So further we will take this forward in future meetings also.